Good morning to one and all. My name is Harisankar Koteswarlal and our project name is Smart Lock System using IoT embedded and machine learning. Coming to the introduction part, here our project is used for both residential and commercial sectors, which has ensured the safety and privacy. And we use the smart technology to develop these lock system that significantly improves the limitations of the traditional mechanism by using the advanced biometric verification and real-time threat detection. And technologies we used in the sensors and IoT integrations are we used the biometric sensors and motion detectors and door status sensors and also IoT connections. Our device will talk to the each other using the Wi-Fi and Zigbee connection and make sure help everything stay connected and working even if they have one devices. And for biometric sensor, we use the fingerprint scanners and facial recognition, which the computer vision and image processing to recognize the individual based on the facial features. And for motion detector, we use the passive infrared sensors to detect the changes in infrared radiation levels caused by the moving object and particularly humans. And for the embedded systems, we use the microcontroller. We use that very efficient to do handling the different sensors and make the quick decisions. And machine learning algorithm, we use the biometric authentication algorithm and anomaly detection algorithm, which it can be easy to learn from the lots of example from the previous previous things, and we trained the models. And now coming to the smart security system, we use the ARM Cortex microcontroller serve as a computer and control processing data inputs from sensors and managing the locking mechanism. And for real-time operating system, it ensures the small software components on microcontroller and maintaining the system scalability and responsiveness. For IoT connections modules, we use the Wi-Fi and Zigbee modules to seamless connection among the devices and with cloud services and responsiveness. And as well as from the cloud services, we handling the user information and access logs and advanced processing requirements, backup option, and all these things. And for user interface, the user can handle in mobile app or web interface. It can handle both remote control and customized security settings, and also access log viewing. And now coming to the system architecture, we use these IoT component device. They are the particular device which is interfacing with users and environment, including the biometric sensors, motion detectors, and door status sensors and control units. For embedded, we use the ARM Cortex and real-time operating system, which has the software components and ensures the timely processing and response. For cloud service, we use the data storage, store the user data, and access the logs and system status. And machine learning, we use the collected the data and devices to improve the security and predict the system needs. These are the user interface component diagram. Here you can see the IoT devices and cloud services and user interface and embedded system. In IoT devices, there is a door status service and monitoring detection sensor and biometric sensor. These are all control units which is connected to the embedded system of the microcontroller. And the cloud service which has a user information log activities. All they will be in the cloud storage services. And user interface, we can mobile app using web interface. And now coming to the next, connections and the data flow from the sensors to the microcontroller. And sensors detect the real-time events and sends data to the microcontroller, and that microcontroller will send data to the cloud, and that cloud will send the receive or notifications from the mobile app. This is the way we can our sensor will be flow. Here you can see the flow diagram from the sensors to microcontroller, and microcontroller the cloud and user interface with the different activities like logs and log time, like commands and action, which has to transmit the processing the data. All this you can see here. Now coming to the key features, it can be remote access and biometric authentication. And also our project is a real-time monitoring for instant get notified whenever suspicious activity, like someone is trying to any like anomalies detections like that. And we have continuous improvements what's happening in real time, making it even better. And coming to the benefits of our project, yeah, enhanced security and user convenience and scalability. For security, we access controller for add extra layer to security by recognizing the unique feature, biometric feature, and ensuring the only right people to get into login. And also for easy to use mobile made for you, and you can control it simply app and website, which can remote access and also lot of option. You can customize everything, is a user friendly. And here you can see hardware setup, how we We use the biometric sensors and motion detectors, door status and lock mechanism. These are all hardware components are easy installation with minimal invention precision and ensuring they can be fitted existence infrastructure without any significant modification. And these are the software components for the real-time operating systems which can run the microcontroller and ensuring the task efficiently and system stability. In this algorithm for biometric verification and embedded within the system to provide quick and utilizing the machine learning algorithm to improve accuracy over time. And there is a user integration process. This integration process is begin with a site assessment to determine the optimal sensor placements and hardware requirements. The following installments the configure and connected to the cloud services for data storage and advanced processing needs. You can see here site assessment and system configuration testing and verification. Now coming to the real-time scenario for the residential and commercial. For example, when we take the residential, if a family is living in a, for every family member it has every biometric data stored for easy access. The system enables some parents to grant temporary access to the neighbors or service personals for real-time alerts and monitoring, allow family to keep tabs on who is coming and going when the system is notifying if the door is left or unlocked, and if the system is detected. And the family is from the automated routines and such as a system engaging all acts bedtime and ensuring the housing is securing at night. These are all very helpful and securing our home system. And for also multiple access point for business needs also same as well. It has runs for multiple employees and all we can see. And for the coming to the conclusion, our project is effectively security our developed for lax system which has the security using the smart technology. It allows the both remote and biometric access, making it both advanced and user friendly and easy to use for simply everyone, and whether it's accessing remotely and automated feature at home or work. And coming to our future where we can plan to incorporate these machine learning algorithms to add the artificial intelligence features to predict the prevent security issues before they happen. And these are all the features work. These are the reference I have taken from IEEE paper. That's it. Thank you, sir.